Did you know that food requires many delicate processes to guarantee only the best products arrive at our table? That's why it's so important to search for new, innovative and more effective ways to handle food. And we believe there's always room for improvement. PERFINOX is a Portuguese company that designs and manufactures process solutions for the food and beverage industry. From infrastructure conception to equipment development, construction and on-site installation, PERFINOX supplies solutions and turnkey projects worldwide. To guarantee only the best products, the food industry has to rely on the best processes. At PERFINOX, we develop, execute and install customized process units for the production of high-quality food products. Our experienced and multi-skilled team develops turnkey projects, from receiving raw materials to all the different stages leading to the final product, a complete package. We embrace our customers' challenges, combine different technologies and develop and deliver batch process systems for many applications. With our own PERFIProcess machinery, we also supply inline process solutions for premixing, mixing, blending, emulsifying, cooking, cooling and homogenizing. With food safety and sustainability in mind, PERFINOX developed smart and efficient systems for clean in place, sterilize in place and product recovery systems. But we always want to do more for our customers. To support them in achieving key process improvements, Canberra System, an automation company within the PERFINOX Group, provides electrical services from design, wiring and electrical cabinet manufacturing to software development. Complete, global and integrated solutions. Today, more and more companies are searching for highly qualified specialists and innovative equipment to fulfill their needs. With that in mind, PERFINOX opened the PERFIProcess Technology Centre, a showroom and research development centre for customer trials and scale-up engineering. Composed of the main PERFIProcess range of equipment, the centre offers a unique possibility to experiment with different configurations of innovative machinery. From prototypes to industrial scale, customers can develop new ideas with our engineering team and customise production concepts, from scratch to batch. Our drives excel in efficient energy usage and environmentally friendly applications by combining our knowledge with state-of-the-art components. Dealing in a close relationship with customers and partners, we deliver high-end tailored solutions by using our expertise to develop sustainable systems and smart technologies. Our processes are fully certified, fulfilling the most demanding food applications and covering the main worldwide standards. At PERFINOX, our commitment is simple: to grow, innovate and always help our customers achieve the best solutions. PERFINOX, there are no limits for process improvement.